Video is the hottest form of content right now, with short form videos like TikToks, Reels, and even Shorts absolutely everywhere. But you still can't beat long form video, and YouTube is the #1 place for that, with over 5 billion videos watched every single day, and being the second biggest search engine in the world, closely behind Google. So with so much attention, you can't really ignore YouTube, but should you set up a YouTube channel for your online fitness business? In this video, I want to dive into setting up a YouTube channel, whether it's something that you should do for your online fitness business, and also set some expectations. Let's dive straight in. If you're enjoying these videos, I would really appreciate it if you could help me reach more people by smashing that like button below and also subscribing to not miss any future videos. So setting up a YouTube channel is actually fairly simple. All you need to do is create a Google account and then create a channel inside of YouTube. First thing you want to do is think about a name for your channel, whether that's going to be your business name or even your actual name like my channel is. Next, you want to upload a profile picture, and you want this to be a professional picture of either yourself or maybe your business logo. The next step of branding your channel is creating a YouTube channel banner, and you want to format this for desktop, mobile, and TV. YouTube actually gives you the dimensions to work to, so what you can do is take those dimensions and create it in Canva. With your channel banner, you could do something similar to what I've done, or you could look at other channels where you could take inspiration from. But what I would recommend is using a nice professional photo of yourself, using some branding colors and maybe adding your logo to it, and then putting a brief description of what the channel is and who it's for. Finally, you'll want to create a description of your channel. First of all, you want to tell people what your channel is about, what type of content you're going to be posting, and really who it's for, and also to tell YouTube as well who your channel is for, because they'll take that information and feed that into their algorithm and then start posting those videos for that audience. Again, when creating your channel and branding it, done is better than not done. So what I do is start with something, create your banner, add your logo, and add your description, and then over time you can optimize it and improve on it. So a couple of things to think about when creating a channel, and the first one is what type of equipment you're going to use to record, where you're going to record it, so what your backdrop's going to look like, and then also how are you going to edit those videos. Now you can start a YouTube channel on a fairly low budget, but just to give you some context, I want to dive into the equipment that I use and how I record my videos. So first of all, I use a professional camera, the exact one that I'm shooting with now, and this is actually a SONY a4-600 with a Sigma lens. So it shoots in 4K, and as you can probably agree with me, it's super high quality.
Nice.
I then have a Deity Pro mic, which is just above me here, and it's on a boom arm to really capture that crisp sound and make sure that it's a professional quality sound. One of the key elements to shooting good quality videos is really your lighting. So I actually have 3 lights on at the moment. So I have a key light here, and then I've got 2 different color lights to my left and right. So again, this is what's creating the lighting and the backdrop that allows me to shoot good quality videos. Finally, when it comes to editing my videos, I actually leave that up to a professional. So I send my videos off to be edited, where they add text, they add music, they add B-roll, and they also add the animations that you'll see in all of my YouTube videos. Honestly, if I tried to edit them, it would probably take me a week, so I leave that to the experts. Now, when it comes to YouTube, I'm a strong believer of just taking imperfect action, so you don't necessarily have to have all this equipment. I just wanted to give you some context of how I shoot my videos. So what I would say is, if you can start shooting videos and just get consistent with posting them and creating them, then you're really off to a good start. Now, I'm a strong believer of taking imperfect action, so you don't necessarily need all of this equipment and this backdrop and all the lighting. What I'd say is start taking imperfect action, start shooting some videos and uploading them regularly. That is really the key when it comes to YouTube videos. If you can upload regularly, you can then improve your videos as you go. Because if you look back to my first video, there is a stark contrast between this video and my first ever video. I don't think I want to really go back and look at that one. I'd probably go as far as saying everything, the main factor to think about when creating a YouTube channel really is your time. Because I thought about creating a YouTube channel a long time ago, and when I looked into it, I saw that there was a lot of time that needed to be invested. And honestly, I didn't have the time to commit to shooting the videos and also be consistent with uploading them. And that's really the key when it comes to creating a YouTube channel. When you first get started, you really just need to create content and be consistent. So whether that's creating 1 video a week or 2 videos a week or even 3 and 4, you want to be consistent so you can feed that YouTube algorithm and really tell YouTube that you're serious about your channel. And I want to be totally transparent with you because I've showed you the equipment that I use, but now I want to dive into the amount of time that I put into my YouTube videos. So I'm going to break down each element for one video. So the first thing that I do is research my topic of what I want to cover, and that roughly takes around 30 minutes. Then I create a draft and I write out what I actually want to say and the points that I want to cover, and that roughly takes me around 60 minutes. Then I'll spend some time getting the room set up and getting the lighting correct, and then I'll shoot the video, and all in all that takes me around 60 minutes. Once I've finished recording my video, I'll then upload it to G Drive and send that off to my professional editor. From there, he will then take that video and start editing it by adding B-roll, adding text, adding music, and adding the start and end screens. Now, editing a video, depending on the length of the video, can take anything from 4 to 6 hours, and that's for a professional. And I'm pretty sure it would take a lot longer if I was doing it myself. Next, I have a thumbnail created. Now, you can create these yourself, but again, I get my professional editor to create them, and that will take him around 30 minutes. Finally, once I have the video back, I'll upload it to YouTube. I'll then create the title, the description, add the tags, add the thumbnail, add the end screen, and then double check it and watch the video. And that can roughly take me around 30 minutes. So all in all, from idea to published video, this can take around 8 hours, and that's just for one video. So there you have it. Hopefully that gives you some context of actually how much time I put in to each video. Now, I'm not saying you have to do the same. You may be able to shoot different style of videos, and you might be able to do them quicker. But one thing to think about, and the major point when it comes to creating a YouTube channel, is ask yourself how much time can you commit to regularly upload videos each week. If it's not a lot of time, then I wouldn't recommend going to creating a YouTube channel straight away. Now, if you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel for your online fitness business, then look at any content that you've already created that you can potentially upload to YouTube. Maybe that's training or educational videos that you use for your clients. You could really use YouTube as a storage facility to send those links to your clients, because YouTube's all about views and engagement, and if you can get your clients to your channel, then you can start building your channel slowly that way. But the key to creating a YouTube channel is remembering it takes time, and it takes a lot more time than creating a following on Facebook or Instagram. So similar to what we recommend to all of our clients inside the Remote Coaches Academy, and whether that's you're just getting started or you're trying to grow and scale your online fitness business, and that is to really dominate one platform. So you really want to grow your audience on that platform and post content regularly. Start having conversations and really grow your online fitness business on that one platform, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Because comparing those 4 platforms that I just named to YouTube, it takes less time to really create content for them, because you can create short form content, a little bit more long form content, you can create posts, versus on YouTube, you really are just creating long form video content or creating shorts. Because growing a YouTube channel really takes a lot of time and money, and also takes time to really grow that audience compared to other social media platforms. So there you have it. I've dived into how to create a channel, also what to expect when creating a channel, and also how I set up and record all of my videos and edit them. If you want to learn more about how to start, grow, and scale an online fitness business, then the next thing you want to do is check out the video I've got linked up here on 5 tips to starting your online fitness business. Be sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.